Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video, we will discuss how to reset the Eero Extender and why it is necessary to do the reset process. We will explain you the each and every steps that is necessary to do the reset process. So don't miss out this video. I am sure that in the end this video will be helpful for you. So without wasting time, let's start the video. Firstly, we will discuss why it is necessary to do the reset process. Resetting an Eero Extender can be necessary for several reasons. Over time, the device may encounter connectivity issues, such as slow speeds or frequent disconnections, which can be resolved by a reset. So let's start the reset process. Find the small reset button on the device that is located to the back side of the device. Now take a sharp pin or paper clip, then press and hold the reset button for a few seconds. Continue holding the button for about 15 seconds. The LED will first flash yellow, then turn solid red. Release the reset button when the LED turns red. The Eero will reset to factory settings and reboot. By following these steps, you can easily reset the Eero Extender. But remember, this reset will erase all settings and return the Eero to factory defaults. After this reset process, you will need to set up your Eero Extender again using the Eero app. Now your reset process is done. I hope you like this video. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for the more updates.